So this is the Latch Cube. Apparently, you can only turn the direction of the arrow, so like, this circle can go either way. Oh wait, I lied. It can only go this way. As you can hear, clicks in. So like this one can't go either way because the arrow is pointing. So you have to figure out a way to turn it so you can turn. So like that's good. That's workable now. Good. See, I want to turn this, but I can't. So I have to find a way to replace... Oh, I can. 3. Okay, so there's the cross. What's next? They had to have a screwy color scheme, didn't they?